Chapter 2. What you should know about the emotions. Feelings and emotions are also two terms that are used interchangeably to mean how we feel about someone or something. As a matter of fact, they both mean different things. Although they are distinct terms, we need to view them to relate closely to one another. They can be seen as opposite sides of a single coin. How so? It is best to explain what emotions as they serve as precursors to feelings. Technically, emotions are those reactions caused by neurons in response to emotional stimuli. These responses create electrical and biological reactions which alter the physical state of the body. Emotions are created in the brain's neocortex and subcortical regions. This is the limbic system. The neocortex is associated with reasoning, conscious thoughts, and making decisions. The amygdala of the limbic system regulates the release of neurons, which consolidates memories. This is a key role in the arousal of emotions, and it is the reason why emotional memories are seen to be long-lasting and stronger. Feelings originate in the brain's neocortical region. They are caused by emotions and shaped by the memories, experiences, thoughts, and beliefs of a person linked to a particular emotion. As a matter of fact, it is the side product of the processing of emotion by the brain and ascribing meaning to the emotion. Emotions are instinctive and physical, prompting instant body reactions to rewards, threats, or any factor lingering with both borders. Such reactions of the body can be objectively measured using facial expressions, heart rate, pupil dilation, brain activity, and skin conductance. Emotional reactions are deeply genetically rooted and hard-coded. Although emotions slightly vary as a result of circumstances from different individuals, they are universal and very similar across every human on Earth. Feelings have a very conscious nature, which makes them easily measurable. Surveys, interviews, questionnaires, procedures for self-assessment, and rating scales are all self-reporting tools employed in the measurement of feelings. When unexpected or unpredicted things occur, feelings make us aware that they are happening. It demands work from the mind. The work in this context is thinking. Handling feelings requires thinking or thoughts. It should be noted that feelings come first, followed by thoughts, which create solutions to handling feelings. Thinking are born out of experience and learning. It does not come naturally as feelings do. That is why a little child at birth has no thought to relate with. Rather, this creature is bundled up with feelings. Thinking is developed gradually through the years, enabling us to handle our feelings the more, solving whatever problem our feelings present along the line. Once there is an existence of a mature thinking process exists, feelings can be made to come second after thinking. For instance, a developed thought with respect to a certain feeling can be rethought. If it is a thought that has been mastered like a problem-solving procedure, it can reactivate a certain feeling, making the feeling come second. This is a derivative process. Thought are distinct from feelings. It can be described as a space of virtuality where we can solve, in the space of our minds, what we have to do in reality before putting our solutions to practice. In fact, thoughts come in between our feelings and the actions we take. Quite importantly is the fact that our thoughts and actions overlap each other. One of such effects is the avoidance of certain circumstances because of the feelings associated with them. We might avoid walking through the edge of a cliff because we might get queasy from the fear of falling. That is the work being performed by our thoughts. It directs our actions on do's and don'ts with regards to the feeling we get from our virtual minds. This is a means by which a phobia can be developed. In addition to the problems we solve, that is, our thought processes, which are based on what we have learned, our past encounters and experiences, lies something more. We have certain solutions with biological significance on a universal scale that are inbuilt. These are solutions to problems that we do not learn from experience. These solutions are known as instincts. It is an instinct that will prevent us from jumping from a height, as the experience from doing so might be our very last. There are numerous problems world over that pure instincts just can't predict, so we need the experience to learn from. In doing so, we elaborate and extend our instinct to help us cope with reality in varying situations. Hence, thinking is not only interposed between feelings and actions, but it comes between reflexes or automatic responses and instinctual feelings generating it. Generally speaking, we develop our thoughts to manage the needs that feelings present in multiple ways than is being provided by our pure instincts. Thinking is a refined product of instinct.